Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planet related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I am going to be unboxing my very first sterling ink order and what I believe to be the January sub box as well. I've had these sitting around for a few weeks now, but I just haven't had the chance to just sit down and film it. So I'm definitely ready to dive into these, and I cannot wait to officially use these in my Hobonichi cousin avec. So I don't know which envelope is for my order and which one is for my sub box, so we're just gonna find that out. So let's go ahead and open this one up and let's see what this is. Okay, so I believe this is my order and not the sub box. Yeah, so this is my first ever order, and oh my gosh, I can already tell I am gonna love this. These already look so beautiful. So let's start with this little one and see what I ended up getting. So I believe maybe this is some sort of freebie, January collection freebie, if I'm not mistaken. And I don't know, I just fell in love with her vibe and her stickers. So I grabbed, okay, so I wanted to see the difference between like a normal cardstock one and then the, I believe this is like a matte transparent kind. So it's not too like clear, but it has like a matte finish to it. So I actually think that's pretty neat. And I also like this one as well. So I'm glad that I got both of these options, just so I can see the difference. But planning to use these probably like in the cover itself every single month. And I think maybe that comes in the sub box as well. And so then we have these gorgeous stickers, and just look at that beautiful foil. It is so pretty. It is the silver one. And I just love these. So these are small, and then these are much bigger. So I grabbed two of these. Oh gosh, I just think they're so pretty. And so these are page flags, and those are cute. These don't have foil, but they're so pretty. And so these, I think they're boxes. I think that's what they are. Okay, so different sized boxes, maybe. Okay, so there we go. Okay, yeah. So I think that one goes like in the hourly section. So I'm excited to find out where these go. And I believe this is washi tape. And again, we have the foil. Oh, and I actually think that I got like the Hobonichi Weeks kit. And isn't that crazy? Because first of all, I never even had a Hobonichi on my mind when I placed this order, nor did I even buy a Hobonichi Weeks when I eventually bought one. But I really wanted to try out her stickers, so I did end up purchasing a kit. But it's for the Hobonichi Weeks, but I know that I'll find a use for it and just improvise, because you just don't always have to use that specific kit for that specific planner or layout, if that makes any sense. And then I grabbed these bigger stickers, and I just love the theme and color of these. Okay, so I can't wait to dive into those ones. And then I picked up some vellum as well. So I kind of just ordered out of nowhere without really even knowing what was in the sub box. I know there's a description, but I kind of just skimmed through it, so I wasn't too sure what was in there. So then I grabbed this A5 vellum, and look at how beautiful that is. And I think when I bought these, I was originally thinking of placing these in my journal and just tip it in, but I think maybe now I can actually use it in my Hobonichi cousin avec. So I grabbed 2 of these because I am currently using 2 journals, so I thought that these would be great for that. So I don't know. I gotta see what exactly is included in the sub box, and then I'll figure out what I want to do. And again, because I have 2 journals, I picked up both of these bigger vellums, and I'm just so excited to just cut these down and find a place to put these in. So far, I am super happy and just impressed with everything that came in my order. So now let's go ahead and open the actual sub box. And I think that's how it works. So if I placed my order for December 15th, I would then get the January sub box. I don't think I would get the December one, right? And look at how beautiful this tissue paper is. This is so pretty. It matches the stickers and the theme. So let's go ahead and dive into this. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. Oh, and actually look at this. So this is actually the February sub box. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and open the vellum first. So it comes with 2 of these. Look at how beautiful these are. I don't think you could say it very well. So let's place it down here. I love the pink peach vibes going on. I think that is so pretty. Let's see, maybe like that. That is gorgeous. And then let's see what comes in here, because I believe her February collection goes on sale this Friday. So depending on what comes in here, then I'm going to place my order. So we have this little vellum, and it has the calendar and February along with the theme all the way around. And let's actually see what's in here. Oh, look, like some little freebies. So we have this pretty little, is it a sticker? Maybe it's a sticker. And then these ones that say February. So these are just gonna look really good. And I'm thinking I saw someone place these like at the beginning of the month in your daily section, and I thought it looked so pretty. So that's exactly where I'm going to put these. So here is the freebie, and then here is the calendar. And I think for the sub box I did get the matte version of it. So here it is. It's not all the way clear, but it's matte, so I love that. So I have February and January over here. So here are these stickers, and I went with this matte version of it because I just think clear or matte looks so beautiful in the Hobonichi. I have yet to use actual just like regular paper stickers on my Hobonichi, but so far I am loving the way the clear ones are looking. So here we go again with this one. Such pretty stickers. And what is this? Oh, like boxes, like square boxes. Maybe these go like in your either the monthly, or these could maybe fit in the weekly section of it. So I can't wait to find that. Oh, and look at how beautiful these are. Some butterflies flowers. And then is this like a perfume box? Not box, but a perfume bottle. I think that's what it is. Very pretty. Then we have some day headers. Oh, and we get 2 of these. Perfect. And we get some day dots as well. And here we have these ones. So these are just some more stickers. And here we have washi tape. Okay. Yeah. Looks like it's a full strip. So these are just so pretty. I love that everything is just so themed and everything goes so well. And this one didn't have any type of foiling, and I actually prefer that. I don't do too well with foil. It is hard for me to photograph, so I prefer not for it not to have any. But this one had just so little bit of it that I actually do not mind that. So between the 2 orders, I think I need to go back and buy these January ones. And then I also need to grab some of these A5 size because it came in this smaller version of it. And I don't think you could like change the size. At least I don't think I saw it. So I do want to go on Friday and check their sale out and get the A5 in the February version, and maybe grab a few more of these because the sub box came with 1. And now that I have a Hobonichi cousin avec, I can actually buy an actual kit for the Hobonichi cousin. But I will definitely be using the kit for the weeks because I will make that work. Not a big deal. And the foil on here is so minimal that I actually do not even mind it at all. It is so pretty and I do love that. So I am super happy with both of these purchases. I think they're so beautiful and I just can't wait to actually put them in my planner and set some of these things up. So make sure that you guys are subscribed. I will come back to either show you how I set this up or actually show you how I'm setting it up. I don't know which one I'm going to do, but I do want to come back and show you how I use all of these items for the very first time in my very first Hobonichi cousin. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.